Rotation with attitude. So you're gonna start sitting in a Z-sit on your seat of the Spine Corrector. Your hands are gonna press together, feeling the collarbones lengthen. Inhale. Exhale, twisting from your obliques, finding your chest toward the apex of the barrel. Hands come to the apex. Exhale, you're going to find that length, lifting your back leg to attitude. Pressing in the palms to lift back up through the crown of the head. Rotate back to center. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lower. Finding your attitude, find that length. Inhale. Reach it back. Awesome. Last one. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale, lengthen that leg. Inhale, lift it back up. Exhale, rotate. Now we're gonna add on a variation. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Find that rotation. Lengthening it forward. Inhale. Exhale, you're gonna reach your toe back, wrapping it around like a Miss America sash, feeling that connection in the opposite shoulder to hip. Last two. Big glute move. You're gonna lift up and down for 4, 3, exhale, 2, 1. Inhale, find the length. Exhale, rotate back to center and release.